gotta admit, I don't think I would have bought this for myself, but now that I have it, I'm kind of addicted to it. This is an ALLOYMAN handsaw, and I have been utilizing the dickens out of this thing for little camp tasks around the cabin. So this comes with two 20-volt lithium batteries, real easy to recharge. It has its adapter. You just plug it up into the actual battery and then plug this up. I've utilized this here on the farm in the cabin. Just use my Jackeries or my Blue Eddies to plug it up and get it recharged out here. Solar panels, it works really well. It's been a fine little tool right here around the cabin at camp. So as you can tell, I've used it to make a bunch of quick work of some bushcraft work I've been doing just for the fun of getting it done quickly. I've also utilized it to just do quick and dirty setups for campfires for, hey, I'm going to make lunch today out here, and it's not about learning how to build fire and all that stuff. Hey, I just want a fire, so I'll just cut some stuff up quickly with this. That way I can then split it up and get everything ready to go for a fire. It's worked really well for that. I've actually utilized it as well on some bigger projects where I can put it on the ATV, take it back out in the woods, do some trail clearing and stuff of that nature. It works exceptionally well to take that with you. You don't have to fire up a whole big chainsaw. I take both, obviously, but little task, it works exceptionally well for that. You can use it in just suburban America to cut limbs out of trees that have fallen and stuff of that nature. Again, an incredibly affordable option in the hand chainsaw market. I know these are getting pretty wild out there. They're everywhere. Some of them are expensive. This one is incredibly affordable, and I've been using a lot and I really enjoy it. So I think you will too. ALLOYMAN. Look in the description below for all the links and all that good stuff.